Hey guys, CJ with StoneHouse here. So I have this drawing of this inspection that we just completed, and I was looking at it and I just got thinking, said, hey, we inspect thousands of homes each year. So stuff like this is pretty normal to us. We know what everything means. But to someone that hasn't had to deal with foundation repair before, this is probably all foreign to you. So I wanted to make this quick video to kind of go over what this drawing is, what all these numbers mean, what all these dots mean. So that way when you look at it, you can kind of have a better understanding of what's going on with your home. So I'm going to switch over to my screen here, and I will kind of walk you through a few things.
All right, guys, so I got this drawing here from a recent inspection that we completed. If you're looking at one of these for the first time, you're probably thinking, what the heck is all this? What does this all mean? And one of the things I want to cover in this quick video is these measurements. What are these measurements? What do they mean? What do they say about your house? So one of the first things that we do when we come out and do an inspection is we take a reference point. That's going to be this green dot here. So if you see this green dot, you're going to see the same thing on pretty much all other foundation repair company quotes. Engineers will have something similar. They're all the same thing. Ours is just this green dot. And what that basically means is that every other measurement that we take throughout the structure is going to be in reference to here. So this can kind of be seen as kind of like the zero. So if we look over here, we're down -1.2 here in reference to here. We're down an inch here in reference to here. We're down -0.6 from here to here. And the same thing goes for here. So all these positive numbers are still relative to here. So we got +0.1 from here to here, +0.3 from here to here. So it kind of tells the story about what's going on with the home as a whole. So once our inspector goes through and takes all of their measurements, then we can start placing piers. And if you can see, all of our exterior piers are represented by these little red dots here. You can see the blue ones, those are still piers, but those are going to be interior piers. Typically, these are going to require us breaking out concrete to install them from the surface level of the slab. We do offer some different options for tunneling. If you don't want us to damage your flooring or anything like that, we can always accommodate that by adding tunneling to your quote and doing it that way. So as you know, every home is different. Every home has something different going on with it. So if you have any questions that are specific to your home, reach out to your inspector. He can walk you through everything, make sure all your questions are answered. Have a good day.